Got one. No! So close. So close. Got one. Okay. Woo! It's been about 40 minutes. Finally caught a brown trout. I actually did not know there were brown trout in here. It's about a 10-inch brown trout. Beautiful spots. Beautiful, very nice fish. Got one. No! Right before it got into the net, it came off. Oh! Yes! Rainbow trout. It's about a 9-inch rainbow trout. Kind of rough looking. There it is. Oh. Had a bite, didn't set the hook. Oh! Well, kind of launched that one. Didn't get it in the net, had it up on land here. Didn't quite land it. I'll count that one halfway, so I've caught 2.5 so far. Got one on. Yes. It's another brown trout. It's an 11-incher, biggest one of the day. Very nice. Where to go? No. Okay. Well, that was tricky. Another rainbow trout. Nice 11-inch rainbow trout. Got one. It's tricky. You've got some tree cover here. No. Ah. All right, guys, I think I'm done here. Caught 4 fish. I think I hooked into another 4 or 5. I got 2 browns, 2 rainbows. Fished for about 2.5 hours. Don't have a ton of time here this morning. This canyon is kind of a nightmare. There's a road that runs right by. It's a pretty canyon otherwise, but that road is just not great. And it's near a pretty heavily populated area, and it's Saturday, and so I just got to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.